Welcome to this video where I am going to show you how to earn in the world of crypto and Web3 in 2025. Even if you are a complete beginner and have never used crypto before today, it is easier than ever to earn rewards from crypto projects without spending any money and without any advanced skills. All you need is your time, your curiosity, and a basic understanding of how these platforms work. Let us begin with one of the most popular ways to earn, and that is through crypto airdrops. When crypto projects give away free tokens to users as a way to grow their community and reward early supporters most of the time. You just need to complete simple tasks like signing up, creating a wallet, joining a Discord server, or sharing a tweet, and if you do it early enough, you might receive tokens that later gain real value in 2025. Many airdrops are now given to users who test the product and stay active, so instead of just clicking and leaving, you are encouraged to interact and support the project over time. Now you might wonder where to find these airdrops. There are websites made just for this, such as CoinMarketCap, Airdrops, Airdrop Alert, and you can also check Twitter and community pages where new projects often announce their rewards for users. Another great way to earn is by completing tasks for Web3 projects. There are platforms like Zilligaux and Layer 3, where you get small missions such as following a project, connecting your wallet, or trying out a new tool. Time you complete one of these tasks, you collect points or badges, and those may later convert into real crypto rewards or help you qualify for future airdrops. And we have play-to-earn games, which are blockchain games that reward you for playing instead of spending hours on regular games that give you nothing back. Web3 games let you earn tokens for completing challenges, collecting rare items, or reaching certain levels. This is perfect if you enjoy gaming and want to earn while you play. There is also something called Learn to Earn, which means you can get paid to learn about crypto platforms like Coinbase Learn and Binance Academy offer free lessons on how crypto works, and after each lesson they ask a few simple questions and send you tokens as a reward when you get the answers right. Now, let us talk about Testnet. Testnet is a version of a crypto project that is not yet live and is open for tests, and you can try it out before the main version is released, and if the project becomes successful, they sometimes give rewards to people who helped test it in the past. Users who tested projects like Arbitrum, Starknet, and Optimism receive thousands of dollars worth of tokens just for using the platform early. All you had to do was connect your wallet and try out basic features for beginners. Here are a few important tips. Always use a separate wallet for testing new projects and keep your main funds safe. MetaMask is a good place to start, and it is widely accepted in the crypto space. Stay active in project communities like Discord, Telegram, and Twitter, because that is where a lot of opportunities are announced. First, most importantly, never share your seed phrase or private keys with anyone, because no real project will ever ask for that, and anyone who does is trying to scam you on. Remember, always do your own research before investing your time or money in any crypto project. In 2025, the world of Web3 is full of opportunities for those who are early, curious, and consistent. It is by completing tasks, testing apps, learning, or just being part of a growing community. There are many ways to earn with crypto without spending anything upfront. Thank you for watching, and if you want more beginner-friendly crypto tips, make sure to follow this channel and stay tuned for more videos.